already knew the couple was getting divorced and she had moved out. When I got there to do the listing consultation, he was in the driveway. We said hello, and as we're walking up the driveway, he tells me he's made the house like a man cave and has a roommate. My first thoughts go to, what smells are going to slap me in the face when I walk in, and how dirty will this house be? We walk in and there are Legos on every surface, Star Wars memorabilia, and Marvel replicas. I ask for a tour of the house and it does not smell and is clean, bar automatically high. But Legos and Star Wars in every room. The guy seemed concerned about his collections and even embarrassed. I said, you showed me yours, so I'll show you mine. Wachow! Bottom line, did you know it's common for prospective home buyers to nickname homes that they're seeing? You want yours to have a good nickname. Nostalgia hits a good note. So we came up with great ideas to stage some and safely put away others, and his listing will get to be known as the Lego House. Comment what you think your house nickname would be below. Tap like if you want more stories.